welcome back to Beth Rose TV. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications because today we're making a Skittles rainbow. This is so fun and so delicious to do, so let's just jump right into it. Here's what you need. A small amount of water, a coffee filter to catch the colors from the Skittles, a plate to hold everything, and my favorite part, the Skittles. Now set aside your plate while you flatten out your coffee filter. It may just be easier to flip it upside down and press it inside out. And before we put the Skittles on, you're going to want to wet down your coffee filter just a little bit and smooth it out with your fingers so you can have that classic Skittles rainbow look. Then you want to lay your Skittles in a circle around the plate. Now for the best part of the whole craft, you get to eat the leftover Skittles. Now you want to take your water, pour it onto the plate, just enough so that it reaches the Skittles and not fills the whole plate. When the color reaches the center of the coffee filter, you're going to want to take your Skittles off and take the coffee filter off the plates and set it somewhere to dry. Once it's dried, you can cut off the edges like I did and hang it on a window to make it look like stained glass. Not only does this craft look amazing, but it also smells amazing too. So if you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. Thanks for watching.